I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 17. A factor that is considered most important when citing a chemical industry is A. Nearness to other industrial establishments, B. Nearness to raw materials, C. Favorable climate conditions, D. Availability of storage facilities. So there are various factors that are put into consideration when citing a chemical industry, but we are asked for the one which is considered most important. So let us analyze each of the options to see which of them we can say is the most important. Now, option A, which is nearness to other industrial establishments, is not considered very important as there is no exact benefit associated with citing a chemical industry close to another industrial establishment. So option A is not the answer to this question. Now, option B, nearness to raw material, is very important when citing a chemical industry, as this reduces cost of production. Now, it reduces cost of production in the sense that the cost of transporting raw materials is reduced. So you don't necessarily have the problem of transporting raw materials from far distances to the industries. So this is safe to say that nearness to raw materials can be considered the most important factor in citing a chemical industry. Now, option C, which is favorable climatic conditions, is also important in citing a chemical industry. However, it cannot also be considered the most important, as it has no direct effect on production. And option D, availability of storage facilities, is an important factor, but it cannot be considered important in citing the chemical industry. So the one that can be considered most important, as we have rightly established, is option B, the nearness to raw materials. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.